Good morning, friends. Mrs. Hardy here. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Whew, I've got a new mask on today because it's a brand new day of the week. And what is that day? It starts with a T. But this one is special. It starts with a T, but it makes a sound. Thursday. Remember, I said that this day is named after the Avenger Thor. So Thursday. All right, I'm going to take this off because nobody's here with me. Put my mask off to the side, and we're going to talk about our question of the day. Question of the day. Do you know how to use this? Do I know how to use what? Oh, this. Does anyone know what this is? It's called a magnifying glass. All right. Now, magnifying means that there's something really teeny tiny that we need to see bigger. Okay. So make sure that you comment, post. What else do you think we could use this for? See? All right, friends. Let's switch over to our calendar. What month is it? Starts with an S sound. September. Very good. And the season is still summer. Yesterday was Wednesday, and we just said that today is named after our buddy Thor. Yep, Thursday. And it's still really early in the month, so there's not many numbers to count. So we said it was 1, 2 yesterday, the 2nd. Today, that pesky monster. Today is number 3. 3. Or we could say the 3rd. Okay, so we'll go, let's count. 1, 2, 3. It is Thursday, September 3rd. Very good, friends. And we're going to be talking about our weather. Oh, it has been a rough week of weather, hasn't it? Have you been able to go outside and play at all? I've been able to walk outside, but not really play. So let's take a look. What's the weather like today? Did you know? I forgot to tell you guys, there is a song for our weather time. And I just haven't sang it because I'm here by myself. But maybe you can help me sing it. What do you think? All right, now remember, you can rewind the video if you don't hear the song the first time, okay? So put your hands out like you're asking a question. Get ready. Make sure you're using listening ears and watching eyes, okay? Because there's movement and singing. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Make sure you look outside and you can what? Pause the video for just a moment. Ready? I'll pause, which means what? It's kind of like freeze. So I'm going to freeze. All right. Did you see what the weather's like? Yeah, you're right. It's still kind of wet outside. Where the water falls from the sky, it's still a little rainy. And what does rain come out of? It's a little cloudy. So we're going to put those rainy and cloudy. Now remember, yesterday was kind of warm, okay? But today makes us sweat a little bit. So it's not warm, it's hot. And it's that red color because red is hot, right? Okay, so we're going to put hot right there. Now, what colors do I need to get for our chart, our weather chart? I'm sorry, say it a little bit louder. Yes, blue and gray. Hold on just a second. I lost the magic markers. What did I do with them? Oh, there they are. They were hiding underneath a book and our friend, Mr. Spider. Silly markers. So we need to get out 2 markers. 1, 2. We're going to get our gray marker and our blue marker. So we're going to start with Rainy first. And I go to what color? Blue. So I'm going to color in an empty rectangle. I'm going to try to stay in the lines today, but I might not make it. Yep, I colored outside the lines. That's okay. Then we're going to take our gray marker and we're going to color in the second rectangle for gray. So we go 1, 2. Oh, I need to practice on my coloring, friends. All right, so we've got 1, 2 days of clouds and 1, 2, 3, 4 days of rain. Now let's look. Even though we added more days, more colors to our chart, which one is bigger? Which one has the most? Is it the gray, which is cloudy, or the blue, which is rainy? Which one has the most, which is the biggest one? The blue, you're right. Which one has the least? And least, remember, means small, the least amount. It's the gray one because there's only 2 of that and 4 of the rain. Very good, friends. You guys, did you realize when we look at this chart that you're actually doing math? You're counting and you're looking at the chart and making decisions which one's more or less. And you're doing math. That's a big kid skill. And you know what you need to do? Take your hand, pat yourself on the back because you guys are smart. Yeah. Now, what was our shape of the week? It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. What shape is that? Can you draw it in the air? Start at the top, go over, down, over again, and up to connect it. Yeah, it's a square. All right, let's read about this square. Susie Square has just 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Susie Square has just 4 sides, and they are all the same. Do you know what the same means? It means that they're all the same length. They'll be the same here as it is here and here and here. Very cool. Standing on the ground or turning upside down, does she look different? Susie's shape is still the same, and square is still her name. So whatever way you turn a square, up, or down, the square will still look the same. Squares have just 4 corners, too. 1, 2, 3, 4. What else has corners? Your bedroom? Yeah, your bedroom probably has corners. It might be a square or it might be a rectangle. It might even be a triangle, but we're going to talk about squares right now. Squares can play a game with you. Tic-tac-toe and hopscotch too. Standing on the ground or turning upside down, Susie's shape is still the same, and square is still her name. The end. All right, friends, I hope you like that book and that you know all about the shape square. Can we draw it one more time in the air? Start at the top, go over, down, over again, and back up to connect it. And connect means to close it. So it's just one shape, and that's a square. You guys have a good day. Tomorrow's the last day of the week, so make sure you guys are thinking, today was Thursday. What's tomorrow? All right, I'll see you then, friends. Bye.